Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how you can make your Snapchat public profile. Making public profile on Snapchat allows to post on a spotlight and let people to find your Snapchat profile even if they aren't your friends. So for that, first you will need to open your Snapchat on your device. Then you will be led to the camera. On the top left corner, you can see your profile icon or Bitmoji on the left side of your screen. Just tap on it. Then you'll be guided to this page where you'll need to scroll down and you can see the option of create public profile. If you don't see the option for public profile, then tap on the setting on the top right corner. You can see, just tap on it, then scroll down until you don't see privacy control. Then you can see view my story option. Just tap on it. Then you will need to change it to the everyone option. Go back from the top arrow. Then you can see the see me in quick add option. Just tap on it, and if you haven't turned it on, then just need to tap until this green sign doesn't see on your mobile phone. Go back. Then in the same way, you can also tap the contact me option and change it to friends and contact as I have already changed in it. Then after that, the gist here is to make all the privacy setting public, and maybe then you will be able to see the public profile option. If you still do not see the public profile option, it's maybe because you haven't reached 18 or above. So go ahead and change your birth date. For that, at the top you can see the birthday option. Just tap on it. Then from here you can change your birthday. Then after that, go back again by tapping on the arrow option on the top left. Then I hope you will find the create public profile option. Just tap on it. Then here you will be guided to this page. Just you will need to tap on the continue option. Here on the bottom you can see, just tap on continue. Tap on get started and tap on the create option. Then once you tap on it, then your Snapchat profile will be made public. So it was it, guys. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to like it. If you are new to my channel, and subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.